it's Splurge Content here, and this video is another addition to our Tech Tutorial 101 series, and today we're going to be looking at installing Windows Ultimate Windows Tweaker, and it's the 4.7.1 version. I think it's the February 2020 build. So I'm pretty sure many of you haven't heard what Windows Tweaker is, but it's basically like how rooting is for Android and how jailbreaking is for iOS. You basically get to tweak Windows the way you want it. So there's heaps of features, and yeah, it's hard to explain it by word, but you guys have to see how good it is. So I'll just walk you through how to install it. So just click on this button over here for Windows 10, and once you click on it, it'll ask you to save a file type. It'll be a zip file, so it'll be compressed, and you'll get this file if you save it. Just click on it, so it's a compressed zip file. Then you'll have to extract it, and after you extract it, you'll get this file over here. And it'll be a file folder, so you gotta click on it, and there'll be a dialog saying application over here. So just double click it to open it, and remember, you gotta give permission to Windows Tweaker so it can enable those tweaks. Should come up right now. Sorry, it's just an Intel Celeron laptop, so it's quite slow. Yeah, finally there, and click yes. So it'll initialize, and it'll take a couple of seconds even if you have a fast laptop to load up. It is a really feature-packed software. And guys, don't worry, it's not dangerous. However, just make sure that you download it from a trusted source. I'm not responsible for any damage caused, but you guys shouldn't really be worried about it. If there's any damage caused, it's reversible. It's like it should be, but again, can't give you a 100% guarantee. So we'll just see how it goes. And yeah, I think it might be a bit loud. Someone's just loading them more. Let me just check it. Yep, oh, there we go. So this is the interface. It's quite simple, but it's feature packed at the same time. So it shows that I have an Intel Celeron CPU, and to be honest, we can even change the way the system looks at this. So we can change some of the specs, so it tricks the system. And if you go to customization, there's like a lot of options here. So you can enable animations, disable animations. You can change the battery flight, etc. You guys, I mean, there's really nothing for me to explain. Taskbar for Explorer Universal UI. There's performance. I've actually decreased the wait time to kill services, etc. to increase performance, security and privacy. Internet Explorer, I'm not sure if any will use, but context menu, additional. And if you go to additional, there's something over here, enable Windows Photo Bureau. Remember that the photos that used to be in previous Windows versions, such as Windows 7. Yep, so this is basically that. It's the classic UI. If you are one of those people who wants a classic Windows Photo UI, then you can click on that and it'll enable it. So that's it, guys. I mean, you guys, after you install it, just go through and have a few look. It will say for you to restart, but I'm pretty sure it'll work without restarting for the changes to be made. So yep, and thank you for watching. This is Splurge Content signing off. We'll be back with more soon. Thank you.